Power, balance, and control. For those of you who've been into my building or just know that those are three major words that I live by. Philosophy of my coaching. Now, in this diagram that you're looking at, I've also added the word believe. And that is because we're adding the mental perspective into power, balance, and control. When we take a look at this, what we've done is we've added some words into our circle all about hitting things that are mechanical, things that are mental, things that we've talked about throughout any given lesson. Timing, about your knuckles, about not falling forward, lining up your shoulders, balance, lining up to the plate, using your legs. And then what we want to do is we've kind of taken each one of these and we've color coded them. Which one goes with power? Which one should go with balance? Which one's control and which one do we think is believing? And then what I asked my students to do is I said, let's just pick a couple of them and let's circle the one. So we started with the balls of your feet. And I said, which one, where does balls of your feet, where does that belong to? And so she said, well, I think that balls of your feet belongs to power. She said, I would agree with that. However, do you need to be balanced to have the balls of your feet generate power? Well, yes, you do. And so then if you have balance, you're probably what? Controlled, right? Yep. So then we drew a line down to control. And then, so if we have the power and the balance and the control, we probably have to also believe in ourselves while we're staying on the balls of our feet, right? To be able to complete our swing. So you can see how just that one right there, the balls of your feet, everything connects, right? And so then we tried another one. And we tried one with pitch selection. And we know that right away, pitch selection, very first one is, well, believe. We have to believe in ourselves. We have to watch the ball, track the ball to make good pitch selection. And then we definitely have to have control. Like that's a given one because that one was already in the control section. And we probably should be balanced with our body because if we're not balanced, there's no way we're going to make good pitch selection, let alone hit the ball. And then if we do all of those, we are going to probably generate power. So you can see just in those two examples how, again, all four of these components, they all work together. So without one, we're not going to get the other one. But honestly, without one, we're not going to get much further around the circle and we're not going to end up with truly a complete swing at all because they all have to work together. So read through this chart. Take some time. I want you to make your own chart as well and try to connect everything. Circle the ones that you feel are the most important for you and let's work through it together to see which section is your strengths and which section are your weaknesses. And let's see how we can strengthen your weaknesses and also strengthen your strengths.